Hey there! Ready to make your numbers look super professional using the text function with SUM, average, max, and min? It's easier than you think. Let's start with summing up some values. Just type equals text, open bracket, sum, open bracket, amount range, close bracket, comma, quotation mark, dollar sign, pound, comma, pound, pound, 0, point, 0, 0, quotation mark, close bracket, and voila! The SUM function adds up all the numbers in the range D2 to D11, and the text function formats it like currency, complete with dollar signs and commas. Now, if you want to find the average, max, or min, simply swap out the word sum for average, max, or min. Your result will now be neatly displayed, polished, and easy to read, just like you'd see in a professional report. Give it a try and watch your numbers transform.